Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel here. Today I would like to share a quick video with you. Before we even get into this tutorial, the first thing you want to do is detangle your hair, okay, because this is gonna ease the process for you. So this is all that came out of my hair while I was detangling my hair, and now let's start the process. So the first thing you want to do is grab applicator bottle if you have applicator bottle. If you don't have applicator bottle, you can also use a spray bottle. It doesn't matter, okay? So what you guys are seeing right now in my glass cup is an apple cider vinegar, okay? I'm going to apply it to my applicator bottle, then I will add water to it, then I will start applying straight away on my scalp. So for the past 5 to 6 years I've been doing this because this truly helped me, because I am someone that have oily scalp and my hair produce a lot of sebum, and sometimes I can't really take the itchiness. And the only thing that can truly help me to bring down that itchiness is apple cider vinegar and water. So if you have maybe a serious scalp itchiness or itchiness, if you have like cirrhosis and a very strong dandruff, then I will say you should visit a trichologist. But if you have just normal itchy scalp or very little dandruff, I think this might help you, because I have dandruff on my scalp. I also have itchy scalp due to that my scalp produce a lot of sebum, and this does help me, okay? I have visited trichologist in the past, okay? The trichologist checked my scalp, and she saw that I have a lot of sebum, okay? I have a lot of sebum. She didn't find anything like inflammation or nothing, no of this. My scalp was okay, but she said my scalp produced a lot of sebum. If you have scalp issue, it is very advisable to visit trichologist sometimes. It might not be a serious issue, and sometimes it might be a serious issue, so it's best for you to visit a trichologist. So she gave me some she prescribed me some product, and that I should use. I used it and it does really work, and I also tried this DIY and it also helped me, so why not sharing it with you guys? So after putting the apple cider vinegar and the water in the applicator bottle, you guys saw that I started applying it on my scalp. So this tutorial, it is very easy. I made this tip, it is very easy. Anyone can do it at home. You can give it a try, but if your scalp is very sensitive that maybe you can't tolerate apple cider vinegar, so don't use it, please. Do your own research. I'm making a disclaimer here. Do your own research, please, before you try anything you say. Even anything I share, you should do your own research first, okay? This is my advice to you. So I don't want you to come and do something that, oh, I saw Rachel doing it the other day, so I'm gonna try it out, and maybe if something turns out bad, then the blame will be on me. So please do your own research. But this is what I normally do if I find out that my scalp is itching me like crazy and my scalp is producing a lot of dandruff. I do use this, and I also have other thing that I use on my scalp, which is a detox mask. That is the bomb. Like, I will have to check that with you also, guys, when I can. But this DIY is one of the thing I normally grab. Just take, everybody have apple cider vinegar in their kitchen, right? just grab it, add water to it, then I will apply, massage, leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes. I rinse it off, and that's all. After rinsing it, then I will shampoo my hair. After shampooing my hair, I will use my conditioner, then I will do my regular routine, and that's all. This is really quick, and for me, I have tried it. As I said, I've been doing it for the past 5 to 6 years. It is very effective. You can try it if you want, but please do your own research. So this is it. I wanted to share it with you guys, and I believe you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.